Hi all, welcome to Finecraft Studio. My YouTube channel name is changed from NAR Studio to Finecraft Studio. Henceforth, it will be Finecraft Studio. Today, I'm going to do a keychain or hanging, door hanging like that. So I have just rolled the clay into 1/4 inch thickness, and then I'm using hard cutter and feather cutter. This is like 3 types of hangings I'm just going to do. You can use it as wind charm also. I've given some 3 kinds of ideas. I've smoothened the outer edges and just let it dry. To give a dimension, I'm just punching in heart shape all over. You can use any other impressions what you have, any stamps or something. You can, whatever you have, you can do it. I'm just going to give a hole on the top to put the thread in both. This is another heart variant which I've done with the word as love you and given the same heart impressions. I'm just painting it with pink and plain heart impressions with blue. I have used gold color to highlight the words in the pink. The method what I'm using here I've taught in my previous video, you can see that. For the heart also the same thing, but I'm just giving a combination of white and gold. The color variant is of your choice, plain white, plain blue, plain green, plain pink, anything of your choice, okay? I have stringed this pink. I'll show you how I did this. I'm just using blue color cotton cord, or you can use wax cord, leather cord, or anything, okay? I'm just going to string 8 brown bead, a gold bead, and again 8 bead, okay? It is not that you have to do only 2 mm bead. You can take bead, 8 bead, or 10 bead. 10 bead you can use it if you're using it as door hanging, you can use that, or wind charms, you can use such kinds of beads, or you can put 2 to 3 layers of beads also in the same. You can give a very big length like 10 inch, 12 inch also. It's not that it has to be like a keychain length only. I have done it. I'm just going to put inside the hole and take it in the bag, and I'm just going to put macrame knots, okay? The basic macrame knots, that is the square knots. So there is ample number of videos. If you cannot follow in this, you can just see that I've just done that only. You can put like 4 to 5 rounds, like it is a cotton thread, so it will be very minute, so you can put like 6, 7, 10 or something. If you feel it is too difficult to put the macrame at the end, start with the macrame, string the beads and put the knot at the end, okay? I'm just going to put a knot at the back and then secure it with glue. If you're using cotton cords, you have to secure it. If you're not using cotton cords, like if you're using macrame threads or any other nylon kind of threads, you can burn it with fire. This is done. The feathers, I'm just going to use these printed papers. Like these are printed on tissue papers. You can use it for decoupage also. I'm using musical note printed. You can use it vertically or you can use it horizontally. If you're using it horizontally, make sure that the continuity is the same. I'm just giving a layer, a coat of decoupage glue on it, and then I'm using OHP sheets so that the paper what we are going to stick will not get crumbled. It will get like easily struck on the feathers. I'll use like flat spoons to stick it so that there will not be any air bubbles in between. See, like this. And then remove carefully. You can cut the excess, or you can just bend it on the corner so that it covers the sides also. Okay, I'm just cutting the extras and then going to bend it on the sides as well. I'm just going to use hands on one side and show you. Like if you're using hands, at times it will get teared off. You can also use any waste cloth like this and then do it. Like excess glue also will be absorbed. Okay, and this is done. I'm just going to give a little bit of tap, and at the bottom I'm just going to leave it off like that. Or if at all you need, you can use the sandpaper to remove the excess once it is dried. Okay, for the next feather I am just going to give copper color. You can give 1 coat or 2 coat. I have given 1 coat on the outer for the one which we have sticked with paper, just to give a combination. For the stringing part, to this I am using woolen thread, and the beads are going to be black and red combination. Okay, I'm just going to secure the end, and you going to string the beads. To use the feathers like this in a V shaped, so the beads has to be a little bit lengthier than the feathers. String the feathers and then stick it in V shape, or you can leave it with one at the back and one at the front. Even to this, I'm just using the macrame knots, the same. You can use different knots as well. I'm just going to secure it with the glue like the other two. It's done. I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.